Welcome back. I'm going to show you how to simplify these expressions by applying exponent properties. Today's rule, we have a white star and a blue star and a yellow star. The first one is we're going to keep the base, add the exponent, add m and n, called product power. Next one, power of power. We're going to keep the base, multiply the exponents. Last one for today, we're going to assign the superpower to each of them. All right, let's practice. The first one, let's just use a. A is a variable. A to the second power times a to the third power. Let's look at the white star rule. Product of power. We're going to keep the base, add the exponent. Don't stop here. We're going to do a to the fifth power. That is it. All right. What if we have three of them? Remember product power. Keep the base, add the exponents. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4, that is not a to the ninth power. All right, that's how we use this one. Okay, let's use some real numbers. How about I have 4 to the third power times 4 to the seventh power? Give it a try. Did you see I'm going to keep the base, add the exponent? I have 4 to the 10th power. Very good. What if you say this? I'm going to use the same exponent. Oh, this time we have a negative 4. What do we do? Still look at this white star. Okay, look at this white star. It says what? Product of power. So I'm going to keep the base. My base is negative 4. Stays in the parentheses. I'm going to add the exponent. So do not release it. Simply copy it down. And 3 plus 7 is to the 10th power. That's it. That's how we use this product power. Let's look at our next practice. Next practice is called power of power. Okay, let's see what we have. I'm going to give you a question look like this. I'm going to say y to the third power and open, close parenthesis. And outside, let's use 7. Okay, does it look like the blue star? A number already has mth power, stays in the parentheses. Outside has nth power. So this number is y, already has 3 power. Outside has 7. What do? We keep the base. This time we're going to multiply these two exponents. And we have y 3 times 7 to the 21st power. All right, that's it. Let's practice a little bit more. Let's see what we have. Oh, I have this one. It's quite interesting. Negative 7. Open, close parenthesis. We're going to give fifth power, okay? And one more simple. And outside, let's give it a 6th power. Does it look like the blue star? Yes. Your number, you already have power, you stay in the parentheses. Outside, you're giving another power. All right, we're going to keep the base. Remember, do not release it out of the parentheses if you're a negative number. We're going to multiply these two exponents. So 5 times 6. All right, and we have to the 30th power. That's it. Okay, let me give you one more interesting practice. I have this. I have a number, let's call it A. A gonna plus 2. Open, close parentheses. We're going to give it the third power. Outside, let's give it another power. Let's say 8th power. Okay, it looks a little bit different, but don't worry. Remember, this is your base. Okay, so we're going to keep the base. Outside, what do we do with these two exponents? Good. Did you see I'm gonna times it? So, last step, we're gonna have keep the base. 3 times 8 is 24. Now, we are done here. Okay, let's practice our next rule. Next rule is called power of power. This time, two numbers gonna stay in the parentheses. If we give them power, we're gonna make sure each of them gonna get a superpower. All right, let's say I have two numbers. Let's start with something really simple, okay? Let's say outside give it a third power, okay? Remember, this time you're going to give the power to each of them. I'm going to give the third power to number 2, give the third power to x. Therefore, 2 to the third power times x to the third power. Since we know 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, and it is 8, right? So we're going to write down 8 times x to the third power. We are down here. We use the yellow star rules called the power of a product. All right, let's keep practicing. Can I change this question a little bit? Okay, I'm going to change a little bit. This time, inside is 2 times x. X already has a third power. Okay, remember this outside exponent gonna give the superpower to each of them. So 2 got third power, 2 to the third power. And x already has the exponent, says I'm 3. Outside another 3. What do we do? Let's take a look at our blue star. Power of power. So this time means 3 need times this 3. Almost done. 2 to the third power is 8. And 3 times 3 is 9. Now, we're good. Okay, how about we get one more practice? We can close this lesson. Okay, one more practice. Let's say we do 3, let's use z, and let's give it third power, and open, close parenthesis, outside has fourth power. We're gonna have multiply, let's say, gonna still use they, and let's give it seventh power. Okay, all right, let's do this. Use your rules. Do you use product power, power product? Remember, sometimes you might use more than one rule. Pause this video, practice this. Okay, did you say this one, I'm gonna give the fourth power to 3, so 3 has fourth power. I'm gonna give the fourth power to z to the third power. Therefore, z says 3 times 4. Okay? Copy down the rest. We're doing baby step. I know you probably spot immediately, and it's okay. We're going to do some baby steps slowly here, okay? All right. So z, 3 times 4, that's 12. All right. Now look at this portion. This part. Which rule are you applying? Did you see I'm going to apply product of power? All right, so 3 to the fourth power, z, 12 plus 7, that's 19. All right, what else can we do? 3 to the fourth power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So that's 9 times 9, that is 81. And times z to the 19th power. Okay, we're done. Be proud of yourself. You learned something new, or maybe you just practiced something old. You become really good and stronger than before. Happy learning.